Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I've got a really cool, interesting video for you today. Not a normal topic that I talk about on this channel, but irresistible software hit the market today. I want to share that with you, and I want to create some designs with it so I can show you the power of it and then how you can actually go out there and start making money. Now, I know that a lot of people, I put out a poll a couple weeks ago about how much money everyone's making online, right? This whole channel is about making money online. We're here to help each other out and learn from one another. Now, over 60% of the audience that's watching the YouTube channel is not making their first dollar online. So I thought I'd make this video and show you that how easy it can be to actually make money online. Now, I normally talk about affiliate marketing, and the bulk of my income does come from affiliate marketing, but there is a learning curve. And anybody that tells you that there is not a learning curve and that there is not going to be some hard work involved in making money online, especially with affiliate marketing, then they're simply just blowing smoke for you. So in this case, this is something that all beginners can actually get into, and you can actually hire graphics. You can get software to do it for you, and you don't have to be a graphic illustrating artist in order to make printables to sell. And in this case, we're going to be talking about selling printables on Etsy. So let's jump in real quick. I'm going to show you. We're over here on Etsy right now, okay? And so I found this niche right here, printable road trip games. This is actually typed in on Etsy. It is a niche, and you can see that there is only 1,000 results, right? So that means that the competition is low. Now imagine all the markets that you go for if you do Amazon KDP coloring books or low content publishing. You've realized over the last 2 years how saturated the market has gotten, and how everybody, hundreds of thousands of people have jumped on and they're trying to make money with Amazon KDP. And while you still can do it, it is much harder today than it was 3 to 5 years ago. And that's just a fact. It's a simple fact. Now, we will look over here, but there's different ways that you can actually create this artwork and sell it on different platforms. And in this case, you can sell printables as a massive market. And when you're on Etsy, there's a lot, there's room for everybody. You get this feel that, of course, there's hundreds of thousands of sellers selling on Etsy as well, as it's one of the largest platforms of its kind. But what you can see is that you can niche down, and there's more room for everyone on the market, because the way that when you have an e-commerce site like this and they have 4 products per row, and you can scroll through here and just in a matter of seconds already be exposed to 25, 30 products. It makes it easier for buyers to find your product. Whereas Amazon, you're only scrolling through like a Facebook post or a LinkedIn post. It's only one product at a time. You can only see a couple products on the page at one time. And on this case, you're looking at 8 products on the page at one time. So I just wanted to point that out. That is actually a difference in the way that these e-commerce sites are set up. So we're going to jump in. Let's do this. The rest of this is going to be more of a tutorial. I have a brand new software, so bear with me. I'm going to be learning a little bit about the software as well. I have created one design with the software, but I wanted to get this out to you guys because the sensitivity of time with this software, and it will become a monthly subscription, and this will allow people to create these bundles of games with a software that will automatically do it for you. All we have to do is just a little bit of work on creating what it's going to look like. So we're going to create the theme around it, right? And then we can create unlimited amount of these bundle packs. And this is just one game that's sold. So we are going to take this printable road trip games, and we're going to go in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Canva real quick. And we're going to find a background. So I'm going to go to Elements, and we're just going to go with a background. Let's go with some type of, what do we want to go with? Race cars. Let's just go with race cars for fun. I'm going to go to Graphics, and we could create a certain type of background, but maybe we want to go with race cars background. Race car background. Not seeing one. What is that? That could work, but no. So we'll just keep searching until we find something that will work for us. Okay, perfect. Cars background worked perfect. So let's just go with this one for now, and you'll get kind of a doodle. That looks really cool. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to spread this out, and the dimensions and all that, I'm not going to go over. There are specific dimensions if you actually do end up getting the software. There will be a link below. The link below, you can click on it and it will take you to my bonus page where I have 4 exclusive bonuses for this software. Plus, I have on my other channel, one of my other YouTube channels, I do a full 20-minute walkthrough and review of the product if you're interested, and you can check out the video if this video kind of you saw enough and you're pretty convinced. You don't have to watch that video, but you can get my bonuses, the 4 bonuses, by clicking the link below. Click on the link and then go and check out the software and get it. The software is $37. We will be jumping into the software in a minute, but let me show you what you have to do before we jump into the software. Before we jump into the software, we have to do some work. We have to create a graphic, a custom graphic that nobody else is going to have, right? No one else is going to create this graphic. So I'm going to go ahead and just expand that out to right there. Okay, so we have a car background. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to uploads, and I have a template that we download, and this template, right, is going to allow us to have a perfect dimensions of where we want things on the page. And if any of you have done KDP before, I know I do have a lot of subscribers on this channel, and you guys have moved over to my other channel, Improved Coloring, but you guys know that you have to go and get KDP templates and all that in order to account for the bleed and all that. Okay, so now we have this. You can barely see it. We can mess with the transparency in the background if we want, but I think I'm going to be good. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to go back to elements, and then I'm going to just say car. We're going to look at graphics. And since I have a premium membership, I always like to go with Pro. You guys can use Canva for free, no problem. I'm going to just look for a vehicle. That one's kind of cool because it's like a real car. I think that looks really cool. So we're going to go ahead and drop that one in here, right? And let's see where the line is. There's the line. Perfect. And then I'm going to use the arrow key to move this over just a little bit, get it right where it needs to go. So that's pretty good. Okay. So we have one more thing we need to do is we just need to go back over here to elements, and I'm going to click on it one more time. And I'm just going to grab a square right here, and we're going to move this up where it locks in. I'm going to move this over, and you can just see the line, right? I could zoom in a little bit, but you can just see the line. Kind of winging it a little bit. And then we're going to change this to a white background. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to we'll go with red, I think. So I'm going to use my color picker up here and see, I haven't done this yet in the software. We're going to pick a color from the page, and it's going to be this red color. Okay. Then I'm going to grab this and grab our hex code right here. I'm going to copy that. And then now what we're going to do is we have this background, but this one right here, I need to go position and push backwards. And now look. So now we have this really cool graphic that has been created, right? We've created this graphic really cool. But guess what? If we wanted to create 14 games, we'd have to go out and do hours of research, copying and pasting, probably rewriting the words from other listings. And then we'd have to duplicate this page and change things up, and you would spend probably 3 hours doing this, right? And here's another one I did yesterday, but you would probably spend hours doing this. But we have the background design, so now I'm going to go download, and we're going to go over here and just push download page 2, done, download. Okay, so now we're going to jump in to the software. So the software is called Crispy Prints. Again, this is available for only a couple more days at the $37 price range. Then the price goes up, and then it will go to monthly. This is one of the best softwares that I've seen the entire year out of promoting products, publishing products, low content, coloring book packs, and also affiliate marketing courses and affiliate marketing software. This is one of the best products that I've seen hit Warrior Plus this year, period. They have 20 videos, training videos, how to get traffic from Pinterest, how to build an e-com printable store, how to use the software. Ike Paws put together a very, very good product. So we're going to go through here. I'm going to click this, and We have a menu of all kinds of different things we can do here. I'm going to go to the road trip bundle, right? Because we're talking about road trip bundle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, click to upload the image. We have the image right here. I'm going to go open. So now we have our background image, right? It was in the 1063 by 1375 dimensions, which is great. We're going to choose our header, and then here's where we can put that hex tech in here, right? So here we go. I'm going to say select. So now we have that red color that we matched on the background, which is super cool. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14 games. What did you bring? There's Would You Rather, Road Trip Word Search. These are all kinds of amazing games, right? And I'm just going to say select all. We're going to create a bundle. And then what we're going to do is just say create bundle. And then it's going to go out there, and you don't want to leave this screen. You can leave this browser open, and then you can step away and go take care of some other things, go get a cup of coffee, come back. It takes, depending on which bundle you're doing, I'm finding that it takes anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes to produce. So we will come back when this is done, and then it will pop up, and then I'll show you what the results look like. All right, we're back, and look at what the software created. Now, one thing, if you do pick up the software, remember to get rid of the template. I forgot to get rid of the template, so if we zoom in, let me zoom in real quick and show you. See the lines right here? That's the template. And it's okay that we were off by a 1/16 of an inch, no problem, because you can see it no harm, no foul. But it did show the lines at the top. So just make sure that when you're inside Canva, let's go back to Canva real quick. When you're inside Canva, you're going to want to go, and I'm going to go position backwards, and then we're going to click on, let's see, where's the theme? See, here's the theme. I'm sorry, not the theme, the template. So here's the template. You're just going to want to make sure you push the delete button and then push the download. And that would have taken care of this, and we wouldn't have this. But let's go check out our design nonetheless, because it looks super cool. I'm going to rerun the software, and I'm actually going to go and publish this on Etsy. So you have this different games right here. Color the United States. So initial each state. So like I live in New Mexico, believe it or not. So we would put an NM for New Mexico right here, and then a TX for Texas. And then you would go, your destination would be red. So I would color New Mexico red. My kids would love this, right? And then blue where you've been, blue for any states that you've been, green where you live, your destination and where you live. Sorry. Red would be like if we're in New Mexico, but we're traveling to Colorado, or we're traveling to Nevada. So you would color that red. Now, green is where you live. So green would be New Mexico. Yellow, you want to go. I want to go to New York. I've never been to New York. So we would go up here and color New York. And then pink, you don't want to go. Like if you don't have any interest in going to any of these states, which I actually want to go to all the states, but you could color some pink. What a cool game. It created this automatically for us, right? And then just imagine. So the whole thought behind this is switching up the background to now unicorns, right? We could go unicorns in the background. We could have a nice picture of a unicorn right here. And now you have a unicorn theme, right? So the themes are unlimited about what you can do with this. It is going to print the same games, but that's okay. So then you have crossword puzzles right here. And we have this nice car right here. It just looks great. I spy colored cars. So when you see a red car, you click that, right? So super, super cool. Purple cars are rare. I don't know what color that is, more of like a brown. Those you get bonus points if you see one of those, right? So it's really cool. Draw the faces. Look at all these games. They're custom games that people would love. There's a road word search, gas station, highway, vacation. So these are for pretty much all ages would love to do this. And then look at this. Would you rather have giant hands or have giant feet? And then you can make up 4 of your own. This keeps people engaged while they're in the car, instead of just being on screen time, instead of just being on phones or listening to music. When you have a family traveling on road trips, this can also be like things to do while you're not on screen as a family. And so it's super good stuff. We just keep going. Look at all these games, Mad Libs. What do you bring? Just super cool stuff. So this whole pack right here, and you can go, and it's a bundle, right? So then you can come over here and create your own bundle, and look at this stuff. Best seller, road trip activity pack, Printables Kids. It's a best seller. That means it's selling multiple copies per day in order to be a best seller. And look how many games they have. There's 35 pages here, but you could create multiple bundles if you wanted to compete with the 35 pages, or if you just want, this one's 26 pages. But you're getting 14 pages right off the bat. I mean, look at this one selling for $4. It's 20 kids road trip games. What else could you do? Even to stand out, you've got your 14 that you're getting from this. You're getting your 14 games right here, okay? You could create another 6 custom games. You could hire someone on Fiverr and give them the background that you just created and say, hey, create more games for me. And then you can create these giant bundles if you wanted to, or you can just stick with the 14 bundle. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show this to you guys. I know that most of you would be interested in something like this. If you are interested, click the link below and you'll be taken to this page. I have my bonuses, and you can watch the Crispy Prince review and bonus right here. I do give it a 10 out of 10. This is a long video. It's 20 minutes, the review video, and this current video is going on long too, so I want to end it. But from this one simple baby crossword puzzle that he created in the software, he's made over $3,000 from. So this stuff does work. Look at this amazing, this is a baby shower one that you get in the front end offer. So you can go out there and attack baby shower themes, and you get the 14 profitable games right here. And look at how awesome those look. So really, really cool stuff. But my bonuses are you get a 4th grade word search pack with the solutions. And these are not Creative Fabrica stuff. This is stuff I created myself. So, you know, you're getting unique stuff. Kids mazes with solutions as well. You're getting party games, keyword research in a full Excel file. And then you're also getting an inspirational coloring book for kids with an editable Canva book cover, and you can go out here and sell the digital files, or you could also go and publish this on Amazon KDP. So that's it for this video. Go check this out. Pick up Crispy Prince. It is a hit, and it did hit #1 on Warrior Plus. So there are going to be a lot of people out there, but there's room, I believe, with all the different publishing platforms and all the different themes that are out there. There's room for everybody to do this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'm going to be talking about a lot of things, how to make money online. I'm going to be talking about building niche websites in the future, and continuing our YouTube channel success, and of course, affiliate marketing. So I'll see you in the next video.